Okay. Okay.
Brown bear. But brown bear. What do you see?
It's okay.
Red
It's-
bird. Red bird. Okay. Red bird. Red bird. What do you see?
I see
Little duck you can meet.
yellow duck. Bra. Sorry.
Yoga. What yoga? What do you see? You see blue bird you can meet. Bluebird, bluebird, what do you see? I see a ding frog you coming. Ding frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat you coming. Purple cat, what do you see?
Very nice, Eva.
I see white dog you coming. White dog, what do you see? You see Betsy you coming. Betsy, what do you see? I see a goldfish you coming. Goldfish, what do you see? I see the teacher you coming. Teacher, what do you see? I see a children look at me. Children, what do you see? I see a children look that's a red. I can read this part out.
Yeah. Purple.
We see a brown bird, a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what
We see.